So, you're looking for tips about how to make your tyres last longer? Well, it's funny you should ask because there are only two things I'm passionate about: cars and my vegetable garden. And just the other day, when I was in my garden having a go at some particularly nasty dandelions, I realised that my two passions really aren't that different. So sit down and open your ears. I'm going to let you in on my top 4 tips, no, not for weeding, for making your tyres last longer. Number 1. Maintain the right tyre pressures. Cold weather is tough on gardens and tough on tyres. When the weather gets colder, it changes your tyre pressures. For example, if the tyre pressure is 30 psi at 20 degrees Celsius, it'll be 26 psi at 0 degrees Celsius. Crazy, huh? You can find your tyre's optimal pressure in the owner's manual. Easy peasy. Number 2. Get your alignment checked. Otherwise known as tracking, it's getting the wheels pointing the right way. If you hit a curb or a prize-winning pumpkin, for instance, it could knock your wheels out of alignment, and that could speed up tyre wear. Your tyres should be just like the carrots in my garden, in perfect parallel rows. Number 3. Be cool as a cucumber when you drive. What I mean is, don't accelerate and then slam on the brakes all the time. Driving smoothly and carefully will limit tyre wear. Often it's erratic driving that wears out tyres quickly. Number 4. Last but not least, choose your tyres well. Some work just as well throughout their life, not just when they're new. So don't be a pea-brain, fit Michelin Alpine 6 or Michelin Cross Climate Plus tyres, because they'll give you long-lasting performance. Just like in my garden, where only the best quality farm-sourced topsoil will do. Can I interest you in some Brussels sprouts, maybe? No? Sure? Okay.